Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber Sharnice. In today's video, I am going to be doing a shop with me home decor vlog. I'm pretty much going to go to Target, TJMaxx, Ross, take a look at some of the items and see what's in store to start decorating the new home in just a few more vlogs. So we are starting out at Ross, you guys. We decided to come here first. My whole mission for this entire shop with me vlog actually wasn't to purchase anything. But your girl did end up making one purchase, and that purchase actually came out of the store. First things first, let's take a look here at this chair. So these chairs are super duper popular right now with the home decor, and they'll run you a good $300. You guys, I took a look at this chair. It was super comfortable. I actually sat in the chair, and it's only $104 at Ross. $104. That is absolutely insane, but this is a really nice chair. It was super duper comfortable, and I was looking for something like this but more on like the cream beige or linen type side or color. So if I go back and actually see this, I'm probably going to go ahead and pick up two. And then over here, I was just looking at some of their mirrors and got distracted with myself, honey girl. I was looking at myself in the mirror. But mirrors like that, I would probably take and put those like in like my closet, hang them up on the wall or something, so that way you can see yourself in the closet. But I don't know. Just looking at it for right now, not making any sound decisions. However, I did make a sound decision on these two particular paintings. They were only $29.99, y'all. $30 for these paintings. So I went ahead and picked up two. Went ahead and threw them in the basket because they were just gorgeous. This is the type of artwork or abstract artwork or modernizing. That's not a word. Okay, just skip past that. But I want to kind of make my place more modern, and I think that these particular types of painting is going to help me do that. So I did pick those up, and we are leaving Ross with those particular items today. Okay. So next, we're going to scurry along to the next store, which is actually going to be Target. So in Target, I was looking at some of the bathroom stuff because typically when you're decorating a home, the bathroom is the easiest. And I was just so surprised about the cheap prices that they have in there for such nice decor pieces. I have 3 bathrooms. I want to decorate all of them. I don't know what scheme I'm going to go with. I do want to use some blacks, some neutrals, some wood tones. I do know that kind of like a modern farmhouse type of vibe is the look that I'm going for overall in the house. So maybe something like that. I'm loving poofs. I love poofs. I've been looking at poofs everywhere, and I think it's poofs, right? But I really like the idea of having it as additional seating for extra guests. We have a pretty large family when we have gatherings and things, so I feel like, you know, those little extra poofs will, you know, make for great extra seating for them. So I was just taking a look at them. I liked the style of this one here. I'm not so fond if I know if I want the shape or not, but the style was really nice. As you can see, that one was for $89. I don't know if I want to pay $80 for poofs, especially after going to different stores and seeing the different prices of them. So I'm just checking it out, seeing what type of things I like, and if it's something that I'm interested in, I'm going to pick it up when it's time. We made it over here to the desk section, and I found a $90 writing desk that I'm going to put in my daughter's room. So this is probably going to be a for sure buy. She did let me know that she wants to have like a desk or a vanity type of thing in her room, and she's going to need somewhere to do like homework and stuff like that. So I think we're going to go with this particular one. It was super cute, super affordable, and a great size for her. It's not going to be too big for her room. And this is the Casa Luna, what is it? The hand knotted throw. I have been looking at these on YouTube for a while, you guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. They have different knit patterns and things like that, different colors. So I'm very interested in these. I'm definitely going to come back and get one of these. And these throws, I do think they were like $79 or $80. They are on the pricier side, but they're really cute. I also ran across another chair kind of in the similar style as the one that we just saw. I loved the fabric on this one, this color and everything that I like, but the wood tone, the wood tone of it is not quite the wood tone that I'm looking for. I'm looking for maybe a darker wood tone in the house. So if I were to get something like that, I would probably want to stain the wood, but paying $200 for it plus having to pay, to stain the wood, probably not so much. And baby, eucalyptus and vases and all that stuff is definitely in right now. I know that for sure. So I do want to, look at greenery and vases and things like that. They have a great candle selection and everything over here. So I'll be looking more and more into those type of decor pieces when it's time. But those vases, I really, really love the shape of them. I love the texture for sure and the colors of them. So when I am ready to start, purchasing the, vases and stuff that go on the tables or things like that, I'm going to come back here for sure. And probably pick up a couple of those pieces. Even the greenery is really, really nice. It's really refreshing. It's like one of those refreshing type of looks and color schemes. So I really was into that. And then we're going to slide right over here to the rug section. They have so many neutral, natural rug tones that you can choose from here. They're not more so like the comfier ones, if you ask me. But if you want to go for a particular type of look to tie in a room, I think Target has a great selection. As far as size, they do have a few different variety of sizes. That's something that I would have to look into because I would probably want to go for a larger rug, of course, in the living room area, and then the dining room area. So it's good to know that they have a good selection, so I can always come back and take a little peeky peek. And then, girl, we made it over here to like the dinnerware, placeware section. So Target has a lot of good dinnerware. They have a lot of good like counter items that you can put on the counter just for decor. They have a lot of good stuff, you guys. Like, I never just really come into Target to just come and pick up home decor, but baby, I am now. Even little ice cube things, even though our refrigerator makes ice, I want one of those little circle ice cubes. So I'm probably going to come back and buy some of that too. But they have like the coasters that they're like totally in the vibe I'm going for. Loving the color, the wood tones, and everything of that. They have lots of good stuff in here, you guys. Like, I mean, it's almost endless. And the cutting boards, they got cutting boards galore. You hear me? Serving trays. I just can't wait to figure out where I want everything to go. I just can't wait to get in the house so I can just know exactly what to get. But Target is going to be the number one spot for me to go back to first. And then I'll go to everywhere else because they just had so much good stuff. I even ran across these plastic, black plastic bowls, but like a bowl set and a serving tray down there. Y'all see how much that stuff was. It's super duper inexpensive. I think that was $13, and the tray down there at the bottom was $15. Like, come on, like, you can't beat these prices. I'm gonna spend all my money in Target. I'm quite sure at this point Target's gonna get all my money. Even the silverware, aka the goldware. I do want some of that. So what I'm doing is actually comparing the prices between those on Amazon and in the store. So if they're cheaper in the store or Amazon, whichever one's cheaper, that's the one I'm gonna go for. Now we've made our way to TJMaxx and we're back to the woods, the cutting boards, and all that stuff galore. So these are more of the ones that you would actually, I would per se use. But yeah, really, really nice items in here. Very, very different. They really like slabs of wood. These are good for pantry, storing items in the pantry or linen closets or bathroom closets, wherever. That's what I think I want on that side. I found some more poofs. These poofs were $59.99, and I like the character of that one much better than the one that we saw at Target. So yeah, I may be really, really interested in that. And I was just eyeballing some more poofs over there. But that's pretty much it for today's vlog. So the next Shop With Me vlog would actually be of me purchasing stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video today. We're closing in just a couple of weeks. So I'm going to start decorating all that stuff in just a couple of weeks. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you can see how I turn this place around to make it our home. And head over to Instagram at Amber Sharnice there. And also check out my main YouTube channel, which is Amber Sharnice, and see if any content there would be something that you like as well. Thanks again for tuning in. Peace.